Alrighty, hello everybody, and welcome to my forecast for today. Now, these are the outlooks for the next 3 days. Today, we have an enhanced risk of severe weather. That's going to be for Colorado, Nebraska, and Kansas. We also have a slight risk in Iowa, Kansas, Missouri, Colorado, and Nebraska. And we have another slight risk in Kentucky, Illinois, and Indiana. Tomorrow, our main threat will be in Nebraska, Iowa, South Dakota, and Minnesota, and maybe just a tiny sliver of Kansas, very extreme northern Kansas. And then on Monday, our main severe weather threat will basically kind of be like the same area: Iowa, Nebraska, Missouri, Kansas, and Oklahoma. Now, this is the wind threat for the next 2 days. Today, we have a 30% hatched wind threat. And if you don't know what this hatching area is, that basically means that there's a chance for hurricane-force wind gusts or 74-mile-an-hour plus wind gusts. If you're in this red, that's a 30% wind risk. That will include parts of Colorado, Nebraska, and Kansas. And there's also a 15% in Kentucky, Indiana, and Illinois. Tomorrow, I don't really think we'll see much in the way of wind. However, we have a 15% risk for Kansas, Nebraska, Missouri, Iowa, Illinois, Wisconsin, and Minnesota. Now, this is a hail threat for the next 2 days, and the hail threat is looking pretty significant, not going to lie. Today, we have a 30% hail threat. That's going to be for Colorado, Kansas, and Nebraska. And we also have a hatched area where there is a chance for 2-inch plus sized hail. Tomorrow, we're also going to have a 30% wind risk and a hatched area. The 30% is going to be for Nebraska, Iowa, Minnesota, and South Dakota. Now, our tornado threat today is not looking that significant, but tomorrow really could be significant. Today, we have a 2% risk for parts of Kansas, Colorado, Nebraska, Iowa, Missouri, and Illinois. And we have a 5% risk for parts of Kansas, Colorado, Nebraska, Iowa, and Missouri. And we have a hatched area where EF2 plus tornadoes are possible. And we will likely be live today if they do issue any tornado warnings, because there could be some strong tornadoes today. Tomorrow is looking significant. We have a 10% tornado threat for parts of Nebraska, South Dakota, Iowa, and Minnesota. And we have a hatched area where EF2 plus tornadoes are possible also. Severe weather is possible today through Monday. Starting today, we are entering an active stretch of severe weather. This severe weather threat is looking worse and worse by the day. I will likely be live on Twitch covering this event. Well, what does this mean? This means that severe weather is possible from today to the end of the week. Where will this happen? For today, the worst area of severe weather will be in Colorado, Nebraska, and Kansas. What should I do? Stay weather aware. If you're under a tornado warning, seek shelter. Have ways to receive alerts. I will likely be live on Twitch covering this event when it happens, when we get the first severe weather. Alright, and that is my forecast for today. We will be likely having a new forecast every 2 days, and we will likely be live on Twitch covering this event, so don't miss out.